This is how I made my money in 2023, and this is how I'm going to continue making money in 2024. Now, these are all very social media based, but not every single one of them requires you to show your face. Okay, so number one is TikTok Live. TikTok Live and TikTok Live GIFs have blown up massively in the past year when we saw the NPC trend hit our For You pages. We saw how people with little to no followers were making up to 10 grand per live. For me, I'm a musician, so I simply connect my microphone and my guitar, and then I just stream. For me, it's essentially like virtual busking. And thanks to my band's fan base and the people that have discovered me on the For You page, it has allowed it to become my main source of income. The trick to making it work though is knowing that your first few lives aren't going to make you hundreds and thousands, and further understanding that consistency is key. Try going live once a day for an hour or more. TikTok recognizes this and will push your live onto more people's For You pages, therefore allowing you to earn a steady income doing or talking about something you love. Staying on TikTok, but this one's for people that would rather not show their face on camera. This is the brand new TikTok creativity program. TikTok has recently added a new feature which allows creators to earn revenue from videos that are 1 minute long. Now you're probably thinking this means that you have to sing or talk for like a minute straight, but most people are using clips from movies or TV shows like Dragon's Den or Shark Tank, and then underneath that video using some form of gameplay to keep viewers watching the whole time. This leads to a higher RPM. RPM is revenue per 1,000 impressions. So essentially, if you post a video that's over a minute long and it gets 1,000+ views, you will earn a small amount of revenue from TikTok. And you're probably thinking it's not a lot at first, but if you upload 3 of these a day consistently, I promise you will see a spike in your revenue. Everything on this list doesn't require a crazy amount of work, but just patience and again, being consistent. Now this one isn't new, but it's never failed to deliver for YouTubers and content creators. I'm a fairly new and small channel, but this year I'm going to change that by increasing my upload quantity and my video quality. To start earning on YouTube, it doesn't actually take that much. All you need is 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 publicly watched hours in the past year. Now again, to some people that may seem like a lot of work. However, please trust me that if you find something you love or love talking about, it makes it a whole lot easier. YouTube over the years has always delivered to small creators and new channels, helping them all to earn money doing what they love. And the key to get started is just uploading your first video. Please trust me when I say don't overthink it. Finally, my 4th way of making money in the new year is through my band Here At Last. You may not know this, but I am part of a 5-piece boy band and we're going on tour around the UK in February this year. If you check the bio of this video, there'll be links to our Spotify so that way you can check out our original music, and a link to the tour ticket so you can come to the venue that's closest to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers this year, so if you fancy helping me out in that goal, it would be massively appreciated. Love you all. It takes 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.